Ibadan, the capital and most populous city of Oyo State, has been the administrative center of the old western region since the early days of British colonial rule. It being located on 7 hills shrouds the town of mysteries. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to another exciting episode of Explore Africa with Moria. If you're a new viewer, Explore Africa with Moria is a safe space that promotes Africa's culture, beautiful cities, arts, entertainment, heritage, and values. Please endeavor to subscribe and turn on post notifications for more Africa content. If you're a returning viewer, thank you for being a part of the Explore Africa with the Moria family. On today's episode of Explore Africa with the Moria, we'll be bringing to you one of the most significant administrative and cultural hub in the third largest city in Nigeria. Please stay tuned and enjoy interesting moments from the big city of rich cultural heritage and history. Gate Idiakwe Road houses the infamous Araromi Spare Parts Market, a popular market for car parts in Ibadan. It is considered to be one of the most significant vehicle spare parts markets in Nigeria. Gates, as it is popularly known, is an administrative center for Oyo State, where the Ibadan North Local Government, Immigration Office, NYSC Secretariat, and the Oyo State Government House is situated. Alongside its administrative characteristics is its commercial features. Gates Market is not only housed to auto spare parts dealings. It welcomes varieties of markets from groceries to fabrics, etc. The Araromi Spare Parts Market is a reliable source for car parts. If you ever visit for the first time, you will most likely certainly feel overwhelmed by the amount of human traffic in the market. The grease-soiled ground and unusual sounds of equipment used by workshops in the market seem to be the market's trademark. Still, there is a lot this market has to offer. Every corner you look in the densely populated market will find heaps of auto parts ready for sale. There are brands of all kinds of car parts heaped across the section and segments of the market. In the heaps of auto components, you could find a scarce automotive part in a remote corner, but we can only advise you to do so if you are used to seeing a needle in a haystack. Otherwise, relax and take a breath, for the helpers or hustlers are around in the corner. A unique thing about this market is that you can save thousands of naira for yourself if you understand how the market operates. When buying any auto spare parts in the Araromi Spare Parts Market, your best bet is to find out who the main dealers are or the importers and buy directly. But you can only achieve this if you are ready to sacrifice some of your time. On the other hand, a good hustler can help you around. That will ensure that you buy at a reasonable price and purchase genuine spare parts. An adage says, 4 eyes sees more than 2. That means an observation by 2 people is better than 1 alone. You going with an expert of your trust can save you the stress of buying the wrong item, and you save money and time. Used automotive parts are the mainstay of the Araromi Spare Parts Market. You can buy almost any automobile spare parts of your choice based on your findings. Please see this video to the end, engage our playlist, like, comment, share, subscribe and turn on post notifications for more of our content. Thank you. According to our findings, the most popular car components in high demand in the Araromi Spare Parts Market are vehicle engines, gearbox, headlamps, car bumpers, car doors, windscreens, and mirrors. Other replacement automobile parts in plentiful supply are suspension system, car tires, rims, car brakes, brake pad, and engine seatings. The Araromi Spare Parts Market, located at Gate, is one of the many eyesores of Ibadan, and you'll be amazed at other commercial activities that takes place in this market. Roads leading to these markets are majorly Mokola, Challenge, and Iwo Road, which are the heartbeats of the big city of Ibadan. Thank you for seeing this video to the end. Please don't forget to engage our playlist, like, comment, share, and subscribe to Explore Africa with Demoria. And also, please click the bell below to turn on post notifications on more intriguing content with Explore Africa with Demoria. Do take very good care and bye. See you in another video.